Hi guys, Julie here with Northern Waters Cleansing Co. And today's video is going to be 36 pounds of Unicorn Dreams soap. So I thought I would show you this because I really haven't shown it to you before. And that is sort of how I mix up the oils for this large of a batch. So this, what you can sort of see here is a 5-gallon bucket. Currently all of my hard oils, soft oils, and shea butter is in here, as well as kaolin clay and sodium lactate. So I move this off to the side. And I will just pull in this large container, has my lye water solution in it. And so what I do is I put this 5-gallon bucket on the floor and very carefully dump in my lye water solution. And then I use this beast. I don't know how well you can really see it, but this is a 16-inch immersion blender. And so I'll put this together, and like I said, I like to blend this up on the floor. So this particular soap is hopefully going to be an in the pot swirl. The colors I'm using are all neons. So I have the bikini blue neon. I have yellow hello. I have pretty in pink. And purple play date. The majority of this soap is going to be white, and then these will just be sort of some accent colors. So I'm going to pour this into the really large slab mold that I usually use, and then I'll probably top it off with a little bit of this lovely stuff. This white diamond super sparkle mica. It's going to look really pretty on top, I think. I'm having a custom stamp made for this particular soap, and I think it's just going to give it a really cute look. So anyways, I'm going to get into soap making here, and probably not going to talk. This isn't really a tutorial so much as it is just for you to see how I do sort of the big batch soap production. Okay, so what you can't see, because I've just done it off camera, is that I have poured out some of what's in this 5-gallon bucket into individual containers so that I can color them. So what's left in here, I am going to put in some titanium dioxide. So I've already brought this to close to a medium trace, probably a light trace, and I have added my fragrance oil. So now I'm going in with titanium dioxide. Okay, so I'm happy with that. This fragrance oil, it's funny because it actually looks pink. The liquid looks pink, but once you pour it into your soap, it turns it a little yellow, which is probably being, you can kind of pick that up on camera. So, this is gonna hang out here for a minute while I mix up my other colors. So I don't have enough large buckets, so I'm actually using, which you can't really see on the camera, but 2 of these smaller ones.